Hello YouTube audience, this is Banjo Kazooie Nuts Bolts and I'm going to show you how to make a fuel-free, engine-free plane, and I'm going to delete this one and make it again. Okay, I just need to delete this, just wait. Okay, just a few seconds. Okay, first you put a super seat or something like that, and then you put the poles, well the wheels, view out, put them out, 3 I think, and then you get to the seat, put out 4, and then you connect them with poles. Whatever pole you need, like your best pole. So just wait. And then you put the poles on that. Leave a gap for the T-pole. And leave a gap for the wheels at the T-pole. And put the T-poles out. See how I'm putting the T-poles up like that? Like to connect. I'll put the seat. And then we just get 2 sock and blows. Well, first we need the wings. Standard or folding. And then we put the sock and blows on the wings, folding backwards. Well, facing backwards. Yeah, so I just need to turn the things. Yep. There is our plane. Feel free. Now I am going to demonstrate this for you. You have to press down the A and then hold the accelerator. And if you want to go backwards, hold down B. Well, the brakes don't really work that good.
But yeah, so bye for now.